Soil pollution is a major environmental issue affecting agriculture and the natural ecosystem. Whether it's due to industrial waste, agricultural runoff, or urban pollution, contaminated soil can harm plants, animals, and even human health. But the good news is, soil can be remediated or cleaned up. In today's video, we'll explore different methods of soil remediation that can help restore polluted soils to health. Soil remediation is the process of cleaning or restoring polluted soils to a state where they can support healthy plant life and ecosystems. This can be done through a variety of methods, depending on the type of contamination and the specific needs of the soil. Let's take a look at the most common methods of soil remediation used to combat pollution. 1. Bioremediation. One of the most eco-friendly methods is bioremediation, where we use microorganisms like bacteria, fungi, or algae to break down toxic chemicals in the soil. These organisms naturally degrade harmful pollutants such as petroleum products or heavy metals, converting them into harmless substances. 2. Phytoremediation. Another natural method is phytoremediation, where certain types of plants are used to absorb and remove contaminants from the soil. For example, plants like sunflowers can absorb heavy metals like lead and arsenic from the soil, and then these plants are harvested and disposed of safely. 3. Soil washing. For more heavily contaminated soils, soil washing is an effective method. This involves using water or other solutions to wash away contaminants like oils, pesticides, and heavy metals from the soil. The soil is then treated to remove any remaining toxic substances. 4. Stabilization and solidification. In cases where the pollutants can't be removed easily, stabilization and solidification methods are used. In this process, chemicals are added to the contaminated soil to bind the pollutants and prevent them from leaching into the groundwater. This helps to reduce the mobility of harmful substances. Let's look at a real-life example. In Mumbai, an urban community garden was suffering from soil contamination due to nearby industrial waste. The soil was polluted with high levels of lead and cadmium, making it unsuitable for growing food. The gardeners decided to implement bioremediation by introducing specific bacteria that could break down the contaminants in the soil. They also used phytoremediation by planting sunflowers to absorb the heavy metals. After several months of applying these techniques, the soil health improved, and the plants started thriving again. This case shows how, even in urban areas, soil contamination can be reversed with the right approach. In conclusion, soil pollution is a serious problem, but through soil remediation, we can clean and restore polluted soils, making them healthy again for plants, animals, and humans. Whether it's through bioremediation, phytoremediation, or soil washing, there are effective methods available to tackle soil pollution. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Have you experienced soil pollution in your garden? Share your tips and solutions in the comments.